If you're looking to get Hostgator hosting, you don't want to miss this Hostgator coupon offer. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code, no matter what Hostgator web hosting plan you choose. You'll get a Hostgator discount by using our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout with the link. You'll actually receive an additional discount than you see being listed here, which I'll cover in this video. You'll get up to 69% to 71% off, plus a free domain name on annual plans or a domain name discount for non-annual plans. You'll get web hosting for as low as $271 a month. I'm even going to be doing a before and after comparison of the discount, so you want to stay tuned for that. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount of up to 71% off, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code CUPID60 at checkout to save even more money. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me go over the Hostgator web hosting plans, going over the discount with a before and after comparison. Once you click the Get Started button, you'll be on the Hostgator Shared Hosting Plans page. You'll see the HATCHLING, Baby, and Business plan. Once you choose a plan, you can enter the Hostgator coupon code on the next page. To do so, scroll down and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with CUPID60. Here's the before and after of the Hostgator HATCHLING plan. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $271 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 69% off. Next up is the Hostgator Baby plan. You'll see you'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $343 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 71% off. Next is the Hostgator Business plan. You'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $516 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 69% off. For all of the annual plans such as the 12-month and 36-month terms, you'll get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms such as the 1-month or 6-month terms, you get a domain name discount. Enjoy your Hostgator promo code discount to get up to 71% off Hostgator web hosting, plus a free domain name on annual plans. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.